1. Dr. Sid Chief Justice Izuri, a veteran Nollywood actor and the father of Maven Act Sydney Izuri aka Dr. Sid, died on the 19th of February 2013, some months after Sid gained his ground in the music industry with his hit song Suralair. 2. Kiss Daniel. With just few days to his 21st birthday, Sofa crooner Anadug B. Oluwatabilaba Daniel aka Kiss Daniel lost his father on the 9th of May 2015, 2 months after his song Wojo hit the market. 3. Olamide. Just after dedicating a track 1999 to his father, Olamide Adidiji aka Badosna lost his father just weeks after the release of his 5th studio album in 2015 on the 26th of November. But it is still unknown what really killed the old man. 4. Chidinma Kadiq crooner Chidinma Akil lost her father James Akil to a grief illness on the 9th of December 2014, 2 years after she released her hit song Kadiq in 2012 and winning the Project Fame contest. 5. Yemi Alade, the curvy singer, lost her dad on the 16th of January 2015, just some months after releasing her first hit song Johnny in 2014.
For watching our videos, and importantly, you need to subscribe because we drop videos almost every day. Any events going on in Nigeria, Bua TV is always the first to get there, so you just need to subscribe, unless you'll be missing out. And if you have a big show coming up, any events, you can call us, we're going to come. If any event just take place or you heard something, just go on YouTube, search for Bua TV. You see there, we are always there, we are everywhere. Importantly, don't forget, just subscribe. And how to subscribe is so simple. There's a circle here written Bua TV, click on it, you see a subscribe button, click on the subscribe button. That's all.